I'm sure you've heard the news. Humanoid robots, the next trillion-dollar frontier is here. Welcome back to the channel bringing you the latest news from around the world. First of all, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. The year's 2035. In a vast warehouse, rows of humanoid robots move with uncanny precision, lifting, scanning, organizing, never pausing. No breaks, no fatigue, just flawless 24/7 productivity. This isn't science fiction, it's the future being built right now faster than anyone imagined. For decades, humanoid robots were fantasy, now they're reality. Companies are pouring billions into this technology and progress is staggering. These machines are learning to walk, run, and interact with the world like us. The question isn't if they'll be part of our lives, but when and how. The implications are massive, touching every aspect of society. This is about creating a new kind of partner for humanity. One that can go where we can't, do what we won't, and unlock new levels of productivity. Imagine robots performing disaster relief, assisting the elderly, or exploring distant planets. We're at the start of a technological revolution, bigger than the internet or smartphones. The scale is mind-blowing, not just a new gadget but a fundamental shift in how our world operates. Humanoid robots could spark a new industrial revolution and a trillion-dollar market. But big questions remain. What about jobs, safety? Are we ready to share our world with intelligent machines? Let's dive in. So, what is a humanoid robot? Simply put, it's a machine designed to look and move like a human. Torso, head, 2 arms, 2 legs. Our world is built for human bodies, so this design lets robots use our tools, open our doors, and navigate our spaces. Unlike single-task robots, humanoids are meant to be adaptable, able to handle thousands of different jobs. Their bodies are marvels of engineering, packed with sensors and motors to mimic human movement. Their brains are advanced AI, letting them see, understand, and act in real time. The humanoid form is the key to unlocking robotics for the real world. One robot, endless possibilities, factory worker, warehouse assistant, disaster responder. That's why investment is exploding. This is the foundation for a new kind of labor force. Where will we see these robots first? Factories and warehouses. They'll handle repetitive, dangerous, or physically demanding tasks, installing seats, lifting heavy parts, working alongside humans. No fatigue, no injuries, just non-stop productivity. In healthcare, humanoid robots could assist nurses, move supplies, or help patients, freeing up staff for critical care. For the elderly or disabled, a robot helper could mean more independence and safety at home. And yes, they're coming to our homes. Loading dishwashers, folding laundry, tidying up, even bringing in groceries. It's not about laziness, it's about freeing us from mundane chores. The home of the future may have a robot as common as a fridge. Beyond homes, they could work in construction, maintain infrastructure, or act as first responders. Their adaptability is the game changer. Anywhere a physical task needs doing, a humanoid robot could step in. This isn't just about replacing jobs, it's about transforming work and daily life. When giants like Tesla, Amazon, and Google invest billions, you know something big is coming. Elon Musk claims his Optimus robot could outvalue Tesla's car business. The business case is clear. The global labor market is worth trillions. If robots can do physical work cheaper than humans, the opportunity is enormous. Companies could buy fleets of robots for a fraction of human labor costs. The first to mass-produce affordable humanoids will dominate the market, but the real value is in the software, an app store for robots, where new skills can be downloaded. As more robots are sold, more developers create apps, making robots even more useful. It's the same feedback loop that made smartphones essential. The hardware is just the start. The ecosystem is the real prize. This is the trillion-dollar vision driving Silicon Valley's race. But with this vision come tough questions, starting with jobs. If robots do physical labor better and cheaper, what happens to millions of workers? History shows tech creates new jobs, but this shift could be faster and bigger than ever. We'll need massive investments in retraining, and maybe even ideas like universal basic income. Safety is another concern. How do we ensure robots are safe in our homes and workplaces? We need strict protocols and clear accountability. This isn't just engineering, it's about trust, ethics, and what it means to be human. The future of work, identity, and community is on the line. We're on the brink of a new age. Humanoid robots are coming, ready or not. The promise is huge, a trillion-dollar industry. labor shortages solved, lives made easier. But this revolution is about people, not just technology. The transition will be disruptive, challenging our ideas about work and value. We can't be passive. We must shape this future together. That means honest conversations, smart regulation, and putting people first. The road ahead will be tough, but the opportunity is thrilling. Are we ready? Maybe not yet, but the future won't wait. The choices we make now will define our relationship with AI for generations. Let's build a better tomorrow, for everyone.